All right, guys, just setting up the live stream. Give me 1 second. Okay. If you're joining in, feel free to share where you're from, what are you working on, and yeah, welcome to my live stream. Every Tuesday, I come online and discuss Python, AI, and all the fun stuff that you can do with it, right? Okay. So, so in this video, as you continue to watch this video, you're going to understand something really fundamental when it comes to learning AI or solving a problem using AI, okay? And this could help you in your journey to mastering the problem that you're trying to, or mastering the solution to the problem you're trying to solve, okay? So hopefully you'll find this valuable. And we'll discuss a couple of things, okay? And you have to hear this. We'll discuss why you need to stop jumping from tool to tool, chasing the next shiny object or shortcut, and instead focusing on mastering the one tool that will help you navigate the AI world successfully. Okay? I know there's hundreds of tools coming up every day, and you know, honestly, there's a lot of copy paste tools. There's a lot of tools that will claim to solve a particular problem, and they have a lot of marketing behind it. They have a lot of hype behind it, and you wonder, okay, is this really what I need? Now, it might be great to investigate, play around with it for a couple of days, whatever, but I wouldn't dwell too much with it. If it's not really solving the problem you're trying to solve. Because what's really important is that you have production ready tools. If you focus too much on cutting edge, unvalidated tools or frameworks, perhaps complicated workflows that are not scalable, it's going to hurt you than help you, because there's nothing easy, okay? There's nothing effortless. So you have to come to that conclusion yourself. And it's really important that you understand this now before it's too late, because the GPT-5 tsunami is coming, okay? And what is going to determine your success is your ability to break through the matrix, start taking action, start asking the right questions so you can implement this technology and solve problems, help your community, okay? Imagine yourself being at the forefront of this revolution. Imagine yourself riding that wave of technological innovation. Imagine what you can do with that power. But again, you have to take the first step. And so that's the harsh truth. It's not going to be easy. You have to unplug from the shiny object syndrome and the constant search for hacks that promises overnight success with minimal effort. Okay? That's not just how it works. That's not how it works. I'm sorry. So instead of blindly following fads, marketing hype, complex frameworks, you need to pause and reflect what you truly want, why you want it, what are your goals, your driving motivations, what future are you trying to create for yourself, for your family, for your community, for your children. Once you're crystal clear on your vision and why, you can map out the strategic steps to get there. Okay? Don't be a leaf in the wind. Don't create another copy paste product. Just taking something somebody else gave you without knowing how to use it. So you need to understand and break through the matrix. Okay. So let's see. So, and no matter what your vision is, your path will lead you to mastering one tool and one tool only. That is Python. Okay, so with Python as your foundation, you can navigate the rapidly evolving AI landscape, understand prompt engineering at a deeper level, and build sophisticated future-proof applications. Why waste time and energy trying to master 100 different tools when one is enough? And a lot of people might have this preconceived notion of what, you know, Python is or programming languages in general. But I have to say that it's getting easier and easier to learn Python. In fact, you don't even need to know programming knowledge. You just need to know some fundamental programming knowledge because tools, libraries, functions have already been written. You just need to put the pieces of the puzzle together and create a solution. Now, of course, ChatGPT can help you. In fact, very soon you're going to have an autonomous AI software engineer. Uh, uh, things like, for example, Devin, right? That can create complete end-to-end software applications for you. So you can make the bot do the work for you rather than you, um, doing the work. So Devin will not understand complicated Zapier workflows. Devin will not understand all these, uh, you know, um, fancy tools and technologies you're going to use. Devin will understand code. And those who master prompt engineering, those who master the language of these AI systems will be in the forefront. Okay, so taking shortcuts will never lead you to any benefit. These AI systems are getting smarter, better, and eventually you're going to have to use them anyways, right? So it's really important that you understand their language. Really important how you. It's really important for you to master their communication style, right? Because if you do not learn Python, if you do not learn their languages, what is going to happen to you? I want you to pause and reflect and think about what is going to happen to your skill set. It's going to eventually go away. AGI will come and replace what you do anyways. So the only thing that's going to set you apart is to know their language. So you can create one for yourself. You can create an AI agent that augments your essence, your domain expertise. If you cannot understand these technologies, if you're still new, I would recommend partnering with people who understand these technologies. So I have a school community ready for you. You can go in, learn Python, talk to experts who understand the technology so they can help you put your ideas into applications or softwares. Okay, so very soon you're going to have robots taking interviews, doing interviews. You're going to have to answer to these robots. If you don't understand their language, their communication style, this is going to be you in the future. So I want you to truly reflect where you want to be. How do you want to ride this tsunami? So you can break through the matrix. Okay? Here's another thing. If you build an agent with complicated flows, bad prompt, it's not customizable, it's not scalable, it's not going to help you. Okay? You need to build an agent with programming skills, with good prompt, good framework, very customizable, very scalable. People have been using Python for decades. People have been creating code, functions. You can scale it. You can hand it off to people to scale it for you, right? When you create a complicated zippy zappy, hippy hoppy, vappy whoopy program that uses hundreds of different tools, now you have to not only figure these tools, you also have to find expert people who can manage it for you, scale it for you. Okay, so this is not going to be an ideal solution for you, my friend. And your priorities need to be in the right place to future-proof yourself from the tsunami that's going to happen. In this AI-powered world, your primary focus should be on truly mastering the fundamental APIs that power AI assistants. And even more importantly, you need to go beyond just using assistants and learn to prompt them effectively through prompt engineering techniques. Don't get distracted by niche frameworks or cutting edge technologies that will only cause mental breakdown and analysis paralysis. Okay, so let me see. So you might be wondering, okay, where is the opportunity? Can I see the opportunity that you're talking about? It's right in front of you. The data is there. Okay, in 2023, the global AI market size was close to 208 billion. By 2030, the market size is expected to reach nearly 2 trillion. Look at the pace at which it is growing. Okay, look at the potential opportunity, look at the massive opportunity that you have under your disposal. Okay, this is right in front of you. So if you're not learning AI, okay, I have bad news for you. Somebody else will be learning AI, and it's easier than ever before. Technology is easier to use than ever before. All you need is an imagination and implementation. Okay? AI will not take your job. People who understand AI will. I want you to understand that. So it's really important that you start educating yourself. Knowledge will set you free, my friend. I created a school community just for you. So you can click the link in the description. And after you click the link in the description and decide to join the school community, you'll find a lot of resources that I have available for you to master Python, to master AI, to master API, read JSON structures, understand prompt engineering. There's a lot of resources that you can utilize and that are in your disposal. You do not need another shiny object. It's not the lack of resources, it's your resourceful mind that is the ultimate resource. This is what Tony Robbins said. So I'd like you to uh, take a moment and truly know what you want to do. Okay, that's really going to be important. What you really want, why you want it, so you can break through the matrix, break through the limiting beliefs. Don't be a leaf in the wind, my friend. Don't jump from tool to tool to tool to search for shortcuts. There is one secret sauce. That is you. Okay, so AI alone is useless. Okay, like if you look at ChatGPT, if you look at Claude, it's only going to be as good as its prompt and the people using it to drive the AI technology. That's why I encourage you to test things, build your custom GPT, augment with your knowledge, your domain expertise. Okay, in that way, the AI can be much more adept at solving a problem. Intelligence by its own is not useful until it's augmented with domain knowledge, and that is value. Your value is somebody else's problem. And that's how you can break through the matrix, my friend. What makes this technology powerful and transformative is you, your prompts, your unique perspectives. Your ingenuity, true intelligence shines when knowledgeable professionals like yourself learn to augment AI with your skills and your experiences from the real world. Okay? So after you click the link in the description, you're going to go to the school committee and you decide to join. When you decide to join, you're going to uncover a whole new world of resources waiting for you. Python, prompt engineering, as well as how you can solve real world problems with production ready skills. No niche frameworks, no politics, no fluff, no marketing hype. Just the bare minimum 80/20 you need to succeed and break through the matrix. Okay? So it's really important. When I started learning AI, I realized there was a big knowledge gap. I needed to learn certain skill sets, and then I picked up different tools and technologies along the way. Some were useful, some were not. So I've done the heavy lifting for you so that you don't have to go through that. Okay, you can ask me any questions that you want. That's why I encourage you to book a 45-minute call with me so you can, talk about some of the challenges that you're facing. And every Tuesday, I'm going to come in, do a live stream, and talk to you guys about AI, some of the latest stuff. But again, I try not to be too uh, out there. With cutting edge tools, sometimes the problem is you can't put it into production. You can't really build stuff with it. You might try, people are trying things with it, but it's not going to be useful for you to start there. Rather, I want you to start with step one, which you are missing. Everyone is missing. The step one is why you want to learn AI. Who's going to benefit from you using these technologies? Okay, think about the community, think about your passions. Don't copy paste things, it's not going to help you. So start with step one, build a custom GPTs. If you do not know Python, that's fine. At least test if it's working or not. If it's not, it's probably not a good solution. You need to keep testing. And that's why I have a community for you, ready for you, so you can partner with the right people who can teach you the right skills, give you the right knowledge to help you succeed. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video talking about AI, Python, and how to build AI agents. Also, in my school community, when you join, you'll have access to Python accelerator workshops as well as agent building workshops. Okay, but more importantly, while you're learning these technologies, as you're building the AI agents, as you're imagining yourself changing the community, I'm also going to teach you how you can think. It's really important for you to think before you can do. People don't teach you how to think, they rather tell you what to do. And that's the key differentiator, my friend. So, for my upcoming live stream and workshops, I'll be diving deeper into Python and OpenAI assistants. I'll also show you some open source tools that you can use to augment or create build agents and stuff like that. But Python is going to give you everything you need to work with your problem. Okay, it connects with all the tech stack. You need to figure out what you want to solve, then pick one or two technologies, create the product, test it, and that's it. Okay, stop chasing the next shiny object, stop looking at all these AI news. It's not going to help you. Okay, take action, be practical, solve a problem. So if you like this live stream, and if you've been watching this far, then I applaud you. But it's very important for you to take action. That's it. It doesn't matter if you're doing Zapier, no code, whatever. You're building agents. That's fine. You're eventually going to hit a wall. you're eventually going to hit a wall, and then you would have to learn Python anyways. You might have to hand it off to Devin once you're done. What are you going to hand off? A no-code Zapier complex workflow niche framework? Devin is going to ignore all that. He's going to write a brand new code for you. Just tell Devin what your problem is, what challenges are you facing, and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. So that's where the future is going. I'm going to share with you an article as well. Let's see. All right, so could AI create a one-person unicorn? Sam Altman thinks so. And Silicon Valley sees the technology waiting for us. Okay, I don't have a subscription for this, so let's go and read this. Make way for one-person unicorns. AI startups say their software will replace thousands of jobs. There's millions of people out there who have product ideas who just haven't had the time, money, or energy to bring them to life. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so VCs have become addicted to investing in SaaS companies with just two ingredients: a great idea and a great technical team. These startups could quickly and relatively inexpensively build a big, impactful, and valuable software business. Some AI founders think they're about to automate away one of those two magic ingredients, the people, potentially paving the way for unicorn scale companies to build on a fraction of the resources. The real problem businesses need solving is not having a software engineering team. We think that the user interface is going to shift away from having to hire to just interacting with an AI system. So let anyone build software applications with just a conversation in plain English. So this kind of technology is coming. You can just say what you want to create and it's going to create for you. You're going to end up with a code base. And again, like I said, the one-person unicorns, they're not necessarily a master of many things. They're just mastering at one thing, solving a problem. And they know that to solve a problem, you need to know the fundamentals of everything, right? Imagine having a software developer who doesn't follow the same mission as you. Now you need to go out there and find a software developer who not only believes in your mission, but also is adept, is competent at understanding AI. There's not a lot of people like that, okay? So if you end up building complex Zapier, hippy hoppy, vappy voopy workflows, you're gonna have to now find people to figure that out. If you can't figure it out, okay, you're stuck. You can't scale those solutions. You cannot create a viable product. So it's really important for you to understand the fundamentals, because very soon you're going to have softwares that can write software for you. You're going to have agents that can create softwares for you. And you could be that next one-person unicorn. Your AI SaaS just needs you. Now, so at the end of the day, it just depends on you, okay? AI, artificial intelligence, whatever you call it, is as useful as you make it. So everything is going to be dependent on your imagination, your passion, and your implementation. Okay, so if education is stopping you, if knowledge is stopping you, because technology is already there. We have the technology to create amazing AI products, softwares. So if education is stopping you, knowledge is stopping you, I encourage you to take action. Rather than searching for the next shiny object, going from tool to tool to tool to tool, it's really important for you to ask yourself that question. What's the one tool that you need to at least know the fundamentals to get ahead of the curve? So the one tool I have available for you is Python. So when you click the link in the description, you're going to go to my school community, and when you decide to join, you're going to have access to Python Accelerator Workshop, so you can start speaking the language of these AI systems. Okay? Very soon, you're going to be talking to these AI systems anyways. Master prompt engineering, master Python. So you make the bots do the work for you. Okay, so that's really important that you figure it out now, because GPT-5 is coming. The tsunami is coming, my friend. Okay? Uh, so you might be scared, like, hey, AI will take my job. AI will replace my skills. It's not that. I advocate a balanced middle ground where you see AI as something that could augment what you're already doing, to augment your essence, to augment your knowledge, to uh, to share your message, right? So you really need AI to be on your side. You can't be ignoring the one fundamental question, that is, what language or what tool that you need to know in order to talk to these AI assistants. Okay, so don't take shortcuts, don't chase shiny objects, ignore all the AI news and hype, and start learning one tool that will set you apart from the competition. Okay, because yeah, this technology is there, and and it's really important for you to uh, start thinking about your passion. Start thinking about what you can really use it for. It's not the lack of resources, it's your resourceful mind. That is the ultimate resource. So, so yeah, I know I talked a lot. So if you're joining in the live stream, make sure you share where you're from, what are you working on, what are some of the challenges, and what's stopping you from breaking through the matrix, and what's stopping you from taking your product to the finish line. What's stopping you from imagining the immense potential of AI? Okay? So it's really important for you to unplug from the matrix and start asking yourself the tools and technologies that you need to really succeed. Okay? All right. So thanks for joining the live stream, and really enjoyed talking to everyone. I think this is a really amazing time and opportunity for all of us to really uh, dive into our belief systems, and really start creating solutions and products for ourselves, and start using a lean tech stack production, and start learning production ready skills that you can use to create amazing products. Okay, so I hope you found some value in this content. And again, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every Tuesday. I drop a live stream where I share um, more valuable insights in the world of AI, and learning Python and mastering these tools so you can communicate effectively with this system. So I want to close things off with just one thing that you need to ask yourself is, what do you really want? Why do you really want it? And it's going to be so much easier for you, my friend. Peace.